In this video, we'll be making this animated bot using HTML and CSS. We're not using any SVG or we are not using any background. This is pure HTML and CSS. So let's dive into the code. Hello friends, this is CodeCraft. You can learn coding fastly and efficiently. As you can see, I have created an HTML file and CSS file. The CSS file is empty, and in HTML file I have used the image operation. I have some basic HTML file created. I will link the CSS file also. Now in the HTML body, I will simply create a div. That's all. And now I will go to my CSS. And the first thing is I will style the HTML and the body collectively. The width will be 100%, height will be also 100%, margin 0, padding will be 0, and also the background will be linear gradient. We to top the direction and RGBA. Also the workflow will be header. Now starting my live server, I'll show the preview of this website. As you can see, the linear gradient and all the styles appears now. The next I will style for the div. Here there is only one div in HTML. The first thing is the position will be absolute, and top will be 50%, left also 50%, and transform will be translate -50. Also is 50%. The width will be 300 pixel, height will be the same, 300 pixel. The background here will be linear gradient, 45-degree direction, RGBA. The border radius 100%. Box shadow will be 0, 10 pixel, and this will be 25 pixel, 20 pixel. RGBA. The next is I will add here the animation will be 10 second, and animation name off, and it will be infinity. And the next thing is I will say animation, the name will be off, and at 0% the first will be transform, translate is 50, 50% -50%, and also the rotate will be 0, 25% transform, now going to the browser. So here you can see the ball is appeared and is rotating. You can see now this is we are not using any SVG, we are not using any background image. This is using pure CSS. This is how you can do this. I hope you will have enjoyed the video. You can customize this, you can add color, background according to you. I hope this will help you and you have really enjoyed it. If you like the video, press the like button and also press the subscribe button in order to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching the video.